Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a holster from Tagua holster. This is a black holster. This is outside of your hip, basically outside of the body, not inside. This is outside mount, let's call it. Goes on your belt and snugs nice and close to your body. Nice quality holster. Fits 9mm Ruger basically, or a 380 Walter Walter PPK 380. It might fit that as well. Different guns might fit in the same holster, but I just wanted to show you the quality. Is excellent quality build. Double stitching all around. The back of it has all the double stitching here. You can see really nicely made. It's got this quick thumb release here that you have to break the center. It is tight when you first get it. That does take some time to break that in, which is totally normal. With the type of when you get a brand new holster, and I like the way the belt loop and the angle of this, how it sits. So it's got a nice little angle to it as well. You can see how it looks. Definitely a nice quality holster, very well built, very well made. Definitely highly recommend if you're looking for this quality holster. Definitely one of my favorites. Very comfortable, all leather, of course. And just super comfortable. And this is all stiff too, and this will all break in over time, and they get more comfortable the more you wear them. So definitely recommend, if you get this, wear it around as much as you can, get it broken in, just like any other leather product. You want to break it in, and definitely love this quality item, and highly recommend it. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.